Oh yeah, so now that it's kicked over, now I can definitely get mad at it.
Thursday afternoon, started late. Pull in the parking lot this morning and there's a truck. Apparently he left last Wednesday and he doesn't have a cell phone, but we were able to get all the truck unloaded and in the warehouse. Then we went to start the plow truck, which we just put a new plow on, and the catalytic converters were gone. Local crackheads stopped by to help us out with that. But I wanted to show you these cars. You remember the French Connection, Ford Torino GT? That's 69, right?
Yes.
69 GT. If I do these car of the day here. This might even be the same color. Well, no, maybe not. That's black. Yep. Roy Scheider and Gene Hackman when they open up the rocker panels. I miss being out here at the car shows and seeing these and stuff. We've been so busy catching up, I don't get to go and loaf at the car shows for 4 days. Eating a lot of fast food and drinking beer. Wow, 4-speed. Wow.
It was originally a 3 on the column.
Nice. You'd never know. I mean, gee whiz.
It's a 302, but it's the original motor. So with 60,000.
Wow. Awesome.
Some new heads.
Awesome. Looks great.
You have to hear it too.
Plenty of pep.
Oh, it's only a 302, but.
Sounds good. Little modern touch. The other new car next to it.
Still a V8 rear wheel drive.
Oh yeah. All right, we'll be back online tomorrow. 2 stops, then a build in New York. Hope you're having a great week out there. We're gonna take our vitamins tonight. See you soon.